Hey guys, today we're gonna go see a longtime customer at Don Valley North Toyota. His name's Abdul Malik, and he's hit incredible accomplishment on his 2013 Toyota Sienna. It's hit 1 million kilometers, so we're gonna get something a little special for him. Come take a look. All right. Abdul.
Hey,
Sean from Wayne's Auto Group. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
We wanted to celebrate the 1 million kilometers that you had for your 2013 Toyota Sienna. For that, we want to cover the cost of the 3 services for you today. How's that sound?
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you for coming and thank you for appreciating all this.
Of course, my man.
I drive a taxi for living. My car is running as good as when I start driving the new car. So same feeling, I have no other feelings.
Abdul, how did you get into Toyota cars?
I don't want to give the name of the brand of the car which I was driving. I got the car for $5,000. Then within 6 months I spent $5,000 on it. I was fed up with the other car I was driving.
So you ended up with Toyota instead. Awesome. How does it feel hitting 1 million kilometers on your Sienna?
Yeah, I'm very proud of it. I wanted to do it. My intention was clear that I want to drive as much as possible, but I hit 1 million. That's great.
Did you celebrate it at all?
Yeah, when we reach 995,000 kilometers, then we wanted to celebrate that we can reach 1 million kilometers. Then we drove highway almost 20-25 kilometers, but odometer stuck to 99999, and all my children laughing at me. No, even I was driving almost 50-60 kilometers, it's reaching the same. Then I went back to dealership, I said something wrong. They said that's a way, that's a loss, you can't do anything more. Now you know how I track my kilometers? So I can't track here. I drove 3,617 kilometers with my GPS.
Yeah.
I can track my kilometers.
So what's your secret to maintaining your car?
The secret is, this is like my baby. I drive carefully, maintain with dealership according to their advice. 99999.
How many 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 1 million.
Abdul, welcome to Don Valley North Toyota. It's a very exciting day for us.
Yeah, thank you, sir. 2013, 10 years old, yeah.
100,000 kilometers per year.
Yeah,
Do you
almost.
sleep?
Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
I was to take that little card from you. This is a moment for me too, you know what I mean? How often do I get to see 1 million? My technician knows about the previous things, we'll get them checked as well. But for now, for sure, oil change. The calipers in the rear, the brake calipers have to be replaced.
Yeah.
We're gonna buff out the front headlights, make sure you can see properly. Pleasure to meet you, sir. Thank you so much. The alloy lug nuts, you said?
It's still safe. The engine, mechanically, it sounds great. There's no obvious signs of wear. The engine's not rattling. There's no abnormalities. For 1 million kilometers, it's pretty good. The body's in still great shape. There's no major deterioration. There's no holes in the body, so that's good. It's very rare to see a car with a legitimate 1 million kilometers. The powertrain is still at the original units. That's pretty decent. To be able to get this far in its life, that just shows the Toyota reliability.
हमको पता है ये वाली आइटम्स हमको पहले से पता है, ये नज़र भी आ रहे हैं, हेडलाइट सब कुछ नज़र आ रहा है, इसको बफ करेंगे. शुक्रिया सर जी.
3 बजे के बाद कर.
Your car is located at B3 spot 35.
Thank you, dear.
No problem.
First time I got the free service from Toyota. I feel great, saved some money, no? I'm going to work. See you next time. Take care, have a good one. Bye.